say anything further, let me just quickly share 3 people's story with you who are part of this affiliate program and what they have been able to do within a week to 2 week maximum. All right, now these are some of the results that are coming. This is the first person I want to talk about. All right, this guy is a networker, and of course he's been running network marketing. He's not been getting as much result as he anticipated, and then he found this. He went to try and do a few things on its own. When he registered, he wasn't making money, and then within a week of discovering YouTube as a traffic source, hey, he was able to do over 103,000 in just a week. Within 3 weeks, this guy has done $250,000 on the platform in less than 1 month. All right, you're going to be meeting him because he's one of the moderators. He's going to be sharing his story, how he does it, how he was able to generate this. He's one of the mentors that is going to hold you by the hands because it's that simple. When you are an affiliate of Learnoflix, you are not on your own. Whatever level or grade you are, there are people who are getting results that are willing to support and help you so that you can get similar results just like them. See, this is another guy. He's based in UK. This is one of the guys that I'm mentoring. He has done over 300K on this platform in just less than a month. All right, in less than a month. I did this in 23 days precisely, was when he did over 300K on the platform. Now, apart from the fact that he created a course also that he's selling, that course has done hundreds of thousands of naira for him. So he's living in the UK, he's making amazing income in Africa just like that. This can also be your case. All of these people are less than a month. The third story, this is very touching. This was my affiliate of the month. This guy is 23 years old and in 1 month only was able to do over 863,000. By his second month of selling my product, he did not create these products. All right, he has done over 1.5 million naira on the platform. So that's exactly what you are about to be a part of. You might not make 200 million yet, but what if all you could do is 5% of that? If I teach you everything I know, and guess what? We have made it easy for you. You don't need to go and create websites. You don't need to go and register a company, do all of the things that I did. All right, everything is already done for you on the platform. You just need to come in, plug in yourself, take the training step by step. Now, when you join this platform, what are the things you are going to be getting? Let me quickly run you through the value that is waiting for you. Number one, all right, what you will get, you're having access to a step-by-step training on how to earn 7-figure with affiliate marketing. Now, I don't care what you have tried before. I'm talking about a proven process. I'm talking about a proven process. Listen, if there is a way, if there is a way that I can prove to you and show you exactly what I did and what others are doing that are getting them results, that you also can practice. All right, and we guarantee you are making 100,000 naira, 1 million naira on a monthly basis with this business. Would you be interested? If your answer was yes, this is the prayer you prayed at the beginning of this year. This is that opportunity. You don't have to blink at all. You probably have seen our adverts before. You probably have not. It does not matter. The fact that you're on this call right now listening to me, this is the answer you have been praying for. The question is, what would you do with this? What will you do with this? So this is the first thing you are having, the 7-figure affiliate marketing training, where I'm going to open all I have, like opening my head to you, and then you unpack it. You understand some crazy principles here. Nobody ever that you know online who is doing digital marketing can bamboozle you anymore. Because the things you are going to have access to, just wait now, this is number one. Number two, you're going to have access to sell all the courses that are coming up on Learnoflix, including the one that are currently there. You'll be able to sell any one you like. There are amazing courses that are coming. We are doing pre-launch up until the 30th of April 2021. By that period, we will have minimum of 100 courses on the platform. Just imagine being able to, I was only selling 2. All right, in 2018, which was forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. That was the course I was selling. Now imagine you have access to over 100 that you can sell. What else? What else can stop you? All right, that's not all. Number 3, this is the killer. You see, you have access to, if you register now, you have access to 90 days live training session. If you have missed any day, it's recorded and kept for you in your backend. At the end of this pre-launch program, this training is going to sell for nothing less than $1,000. All right, before you can have access to watch the recorded one. But if you register now and you are becoming a part of us now, you will not only have access to it live because it's ongoing. We still have about 50-60 days to go. All right, you have access to it where every day we're going to be talking about traffic. A lot of people are still struggling with Facebook and Instagram ads. They don't know that things have changed. Where are the real money coming from? Even if you have a business and you want to take it online, or you want to run digital marketing, how can you get sales, traffic up to 1 million people to your website or to your offer without spending a dime? How can you use organic traffic? How can you use solo ads? How can you use native ads? How can you target a specific location of people where quality buyers are without you spending a dime? All of these things will be taught to you. SEO, you will learn how to do it step by step. And that is what we do every day online. If you miss any day, or maybe you want to go back, you would always be able to go back to rewatch the process over and over again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is more than a bargain. And finally, because you are here today, something amazing is happening. You see, we are having what we call an affiliate challenge right now, where you, as an affiliate, you will sell a course, and the course is the 7-figure affiliate program, which is the course that follow come when you join the platform. So you are selling that course. So in between now and the end of April, we have an amazing promo challenge going on. So for the number of courses you are able to sell, all right, which is the number of affiliates that are able to buy the affiliate course and becoming an affiliate on Learnoflix through your promotions, through your traffic generations. All right, you remember, you'll be taught how to do all of these things step by step. Yeah, now there are 6 major categories. Now these are just additional things that are added to you. If only 10 courses were sold by you, all right, only 10 affiliates were sold by you by the end of April, you will be qualifying for a face cap, a t-shirt, and then a bracelet, customized bracelets. And you would also be getting a gift card also, all right? And you would have made over 40,000 in commission, just like that, all right? What if it's 50 people that are able to come, all right? All those guys that I show you are already in silver as at the time of the presentation that I showed, the images that I showed. And they did it in less than a month. All right, some of them in 1 week, they've already done silver. So with silver, you're getting a laptop, you're getting a mobile phone, you're getting a power bank, and you must have earned direct commission of over 200,000 at that point. All right, what if 100 people were able to come? You're able to get 100 affiliates to buy the affiliate program through you within this 90 days period. You would have won an all expense paid luxury vacation to Ghana, and you would have gotten over 400,000 in commission. What if it's 200 people? This is going to take you to both Dubai and Nairobi, 2 countries at the same time, and you would have earned over 800,000 naira in commission. All right, it gets better. It gets better. What if it's 500 people that came? You're going to Maldives with extra 1 million cash given to you to spend. All right, and you would have made over 2 million. And the ultimate goal, all right, for anyone who's able to sell 1,000 courses, hey, 1,000 affiliates, all right, within this promo period, you are getting a Range Rover of your own, Range Rover Evoque, and you would have earned over 4 million in referral commission, in affiliate commission within this period. So what are you waiting for? This is everything that you are going to be getting. Just because you are a part of us today, you're getting the step-by-step training, the 7-figure affiliate training itself. You're getting it. You're getting access to sell any course of your choice on the platform. Number 3, you are having access to the daily 90 days training. There's no digital marketing training on this planet that will give you the kind of value you are going to get on this daily call. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you that. It is mind-blowing, all right? And then, of course, you have access to participate in the challenge I just showed you. Ladies and gentlemen, if we decide to put a price on all of these things, it will cost over $2,000. But guess what? you will not be paying $2,000. Today, if you decide to be a part of us, access to the platform and to everything is only $23, which is 10,350 naira only, if you decide to be a part of us today. Now, I want to scatter your head the more. I want to give you a lot more stuff. Now, if you are able to sign up today, all right, and become an affiliate today, you will notice there's already a button. For those of you who are watching this on the live webinar, you will see on the live chats there's a button that is on display already. If you are not there, if you're watching on this on the Learnoflix website, you will see a button already showing on there. All right. If you are not seeing a button where you are at all, just contact the person that sent you here. If you saw the ad on Instagram, go and private chat the person to get the access to register. All right. But if you are seeing the button, just relax. Let me quickly show you what I want to give to you. If you're signing up today, all right, you're going to send me an email to iamsamharvard@gmail.com after you are done registering. All right. Don't send this before you register. No one will attend to you. But after you have registered, you can send this in, all right? And what are you going to get? You're going to get an access to a 3-month group mentorship program with me, all right? Which is worth $3,000 US. Now, let me give you a few testimonials. Some of the people I've mentored in the past. This guy was raised to start to not only make $1,000 weekly, he was actually doing this daily at some point, but he was teaching other people how to do that. And when he met me, he was broke. All right, he just lost his job at a bank. He had a wife, 3 amazing daughters, and then of course there was nothing, no income. And everyone he talked to would say, go and meet Sam, go and meet Sam, go and meet Sam. And then eventually he called me, I met with him, and we started working together. And within 2 years, this guy got new cars, new house, and then he became a mentor that was now training people how to do over 1,000 every week. And this is one of my most amazing, I'm so proud of him. His name is John Paul. All right, you can search for John Paul on social media. Now, John Paul, I met him as a copper. I forgot to bring the he posted a picture of before and after of himself while he was serving. Very slim somebody. And then I started to mentor him and I showed him different amazing things. He went into business. Today he's one of the number 1, if not top 5 forex traders in Africa. He has gotten all kinds of awards. He sells cars, he's into real estate. He has built amazing businesses just because he have access to this. Ladies and gentlemen, you will be having access to a 3-month mentorship program worth $3,000 if you pay today. All right, so if you're part of this, I'm opening this to the first 200 in the next 24 hours. All this will cost you is a one-time 10,350 naira, just 10,350. That's what you have access to. All right, that's not all. I'm also going to be throwing a training for you, a simple training that will show you how I use WhatsApp to generate 850K in 3 days. And now you can do the same thing. All right, which is a training about WhatsApp marketing. All right, so you're going to get access to this as well. And then of course number 2, which is the third one now, there's a masterclass that is coming up which is going to teach you how you can monetize what you know. If you want to create a course and put on Learnoflix, for example, and then you can get a lot of people selling your course for you while you sleep and you enjoy and you start making money, you don't want to miss this training. See, all of these 3 bonuses are waiting for fast action takers. So to close, I want to quickly show you how you can generate 10 million. Let's say you can't do 250 million, you can't do all of that. What can you do 10 million in the next 6 months? Can you do 10 million in the next 1 year? Can you do 10 million in the next 9 months? How would you do this? Very, very simple. Now, notice this. When you register and you have access to the 7-figure affiliate course, if you sell this same course, all right, if you decide to sell this same course, anyone you sell it to, you will be paid 40% immediate commission. Now, those people that you sold it to, if they sell the same course to anyone else later, you will be paid 10% on their own sales. Now, let me quickly show you how this can become 10 million for you. Very, very easy. All you need to do is to sell 100 courses as fast as you can. Let it take you 1 day, let it take you 100 days. If you're selling 1 per day, the moment you're able to sell 100 courses, relax. You see, all of these 100 affiliates that now came into the platform through you, that you sold these courses to, they've gone through the courses, they've learned, they are also now selling the course. If each of them are able to do 100, let's say it took them 3 months to do this, by the time you get your own 100, you would have made 400k direct income immediately. But by the time each of these 100 now did the same thing, they're going to get the training, they're going to get the know-how, they're going to get the support, they're going to get everything that they need. If they're able to do 100 each, all right, they would have done 10,000 affiliate courses, and that will give you a total income of 10 million only on your level 2 income alone. Ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? If this one takes you 10 months, 10 million. If it takes you 1 year, 10 million. So what are you supposed to do? 4 steps. Number 1, sign up today and automatically have access to the 7-figure affiliate guide. All right, select any course of your choice, but you can join the challenge and sell the 7-figure affiliate course, which is what everybody is selling right now, and that's what we are focusing on right now. All right, and then you use social media, you use organic traffic, everything that you'll be taught, just use it, and for each sale you make, you earn your commission. It's as simple as that. Sign up, select the course you want to sell, promote it, earn commission. Very, very simple and direct. All right, so what exactly are you waiting for? Click the button. The button is going to take you to a registration page. Fill up that registration form, select payment, either bank transfer or card payment, and complete your order. Send a message to admin through WhatsApp. All right, they approve it. If you are doing transfer, you send your proof of payment, but if you are doing card, it's automatic approval. All right, the moment you are approved, watch the welcome video on the dashboard, and the next thing you want to do is to join all of the groups that you see, and immediately support is waiting for you. Immediately money is waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? I want you to click the link. If you are seeing the link in the chat, or click the link under this video. If you're seeing it under this video, is a button asking you to join and become an affiliate right now. If you're not seeing any of that, please go to whoever invited you for this call and then let them give you their link so you can sign up. Support is waiting for you. I am also waiting for you. So the moment you're done signing up, please send an email here with your new username, all right, and a proof that you have registered. And then somebody is going to respond to you on how you will have access to the promo that I have promised. So what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to share your own success story. All right.